Okay, my name is Ejiro Odunto. I recently finished from DMSI Institute, January 2020 diet. I heard about the course online. I was checking for making money online. I've been doing that for months. So somehow I got into their email list and I kept on getting emails for about 8 to 9 months before I decided to start the course in January. I must say because it's very exhaustive, it covers practically everything you need to know about digital marketing. Loads of practical, which helps you to retain the knowledge there better. So with these skills, I hope to open my digital marketing agency. That's about it. So I say well done. More grease to their elbows, and they should keep on training more people. I would recommend the course to anyone that is interested in learning digital marketing skills, because it delivers is what it says it should. I've had many ads that tell you, I'll give you, I'm a master at this, I'm a wizard at that, with no proof. But here they have the proof. They actually show you proof, and actually to give you the step-by-step way of doing it. Unlike those ones that they will just bundle their product in a PDF file or just a short thing and just dump it on your lap for a token. So I would say that the course is quite exhaustive. It actually claims what it says it does. That's 360 all around. All aspects of digital marketing were covered by the course. So well done.